9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
I want to start a business, but how do I do it? Like, what do I do first? What's up, beautiful people? My name is Nicole. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about entrepreneurship, how to start that business, how to grow that business. And I want to do it by sharing my experience running my own activewear brand and how that journey kind of went to get to the point where we are from 2016 to 2021. So if you're interested in building your business, or just trying to get some first-hand mentorship or guidance or just insights, stay tuned to this video. If you like this type of content, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is a peak time for my business right now, so I definitely want to incorporate a lot of the stuff that we're going through to evolve our business, to grow our business. I definitely want to include those things and show it on my channel. Okay, so just a little background for you guys. I actually co-own an activewear brand. It's called Glamarina. It's a culturally inspired activewear brand. We created this brand for Black women to meet you where you are in your fitness journey through our culturally inspired, size inclusive, age inclusive activewear. It's premium quality at an affordable price, featuring bold, beautiful African prints that we put on our activewear. It's really to inspire you, to motivate you. It's like, represent you in this activewear market where we're very underrepresented. We've been published in multiple publications. We've done multiple podcast interviews. We have developed from 2016 to now 2021. We've developed customers all across the U.S. I mean, random states that I didn't even know Black people were in, as well as Canada, Japan, and the UK. So we've definitely done a lot of growing. It's taken some time. So if you're starting that business or you are thinking about starting that business, you have to have determination. You have to have perseverance, because you're going to have your ups and downs. Trust me, you're going to have your ups and downs where you have your high moments, your business is thriving, your success, you're making sales, you're making relationships with other, getting little partnerships and sponsorships and all this stuff. Then you're going to have your low moments where things might be slow, or you feel like you're at a crossroad, like what do I do next, or you have pain points in your business. So it's definitely a journey. But step one, just start that business. Step two, do your research. Who's doing something similar in the market out there? Whatever you want to do. Who's doing something similar? Who will your competitors be? That's important, so you can kind of, not copy them, but kind of model what they're doing in their business. They already have the business model, so don't reinvent the wheel. Take what they're doing, learn, see how you can apply certain things to your business to really make your business similar or to make it better. And you look at different people, different aspects of other people's businesses, and you pull what you like, and then you take what you don't like and make sure you don't do that, to really cultivate what you're trying to do, your brand, your business. So start that business, do your research, and then from there figure out and map out a plan for how it's actually going to work. What your customer journey is going to look like. Every business has a customer. That's how you're going to make money. So map out what that customer journey is going to look like from start to finish. Is your business online? Is that how you're getting clients? Do you have a physical store, physical location for customers to come in and close the deal? Things like that. So just think about the customer journey. Think about your marketing plan. Think about your finances. Just create a plan of what you want to do. It can be general when you're starting out because you don't know it all up front. With Glamarina, we've definitely learned a lot on the job, right? You can't really plan for certain things. You can do your research, see what other people are doing, get insights or tips from other business owners, but until you really get into the weed of things, you really don't know 100% what to expect. But I will say, throughout your business journey, once you've started, you're going to just learn, and don't be one-track minded. So say you have one plan in place, you think it's going to work, keep in the back of your mind that things may change, things should change, there may be different things that happen in the market that you have to adapt to. So just think about those types of things, keep an open mind, try to make sure that You have mental clarity, so you can continue to evolve and be creative with your business, and that's going to definitely help you to like thrive and continue to grow. So I'm excited for, if you're watching this video, I'm super excited for you just doing your research already, looking at YouTube videos to see what other entrepreneurs are saying, what advice people are giving to you. So for me, I'm in the clothing business, right? Very difficult business. And if you're interested in knowing more about the clothing business, manufacturing, branding, all of that good stuff, comment in the comments below what type of content you want me to create, what type of videos, and I'll do my best to create that for you guys, because my whole mission in life is to kind of share what I know with other people so that we can all grow together. Like, we're building a community. That's what we're doing on my YouTube channel. And so I know that there's a lot of entrepreneurs out there, so I definitely wanted to start to incorporate business tips into my channel, because we beat ourselves up with Glamarina a lot because we're not $1 million business yet. That's full transparency. Some people think we are, but we're not. I mean, we're doing great and we're continuing to grow. Our sales are growing over the years, but there's still so much work to do. So, I think it's good to see some insight on what a business is doing, how they're doing it, and just getting some real insights. So, yeah, I mean, if you want to start that business, go for it. If you don't start, it's just going to be a thought. It's going to continuously just be a thought, and you won't know if it'll work or not. Then you just have to be persistent, consistent, determined, all that good stuff, so that, you can get it where you want it to be. We're, 6 years in, this business is still growing and thriving, and, we persevered through it all. So it's just to say, from my experience, you can totally start that business. It can totally work. It may take some time. Sometimes things happen instantly, but I feel like for us, everything happens for a reason. We're growing slowly, or we've grown slowly over the years, and everything that we've been through has prepared us for the big moments. So yeah, I hope this video inspired someone. I hope this video gave someone some tips or just a little bit of advice on, like, okay, what should I want to start a business, but how do I do it? Like, what do I do first? Like, I have all of these thoughts in my head. What do I do first? So, yeah, I will definitely, if you like this stuff, this content, this is my first business entrepreneur video, comment in the comments below. And if you have subscribed to my channel, comment in the comments below. Let me know why you subscribe to my channel. It's important for me to know, like, who my audience is, who my community is, who am I building this community with. I love commenting to my subscribers. When y'all leave me comments and I comment back and you comment back and I comment back, it's like dialogue. So we're building a friendship, we're building a community. I enjoy it a lot because I feel like we're teaching each other, we're learning from each other. So I want to continue to do that. So the comment section, let's make that comment section like poppin', because I really enjoy the conversation, to know who's watching and interacting with my videos and kind of like getting to know you guys. So over the next couple of months, as Glamarina is preparing for the launch of our 5th collection, I want to incorporate some videos into my channel throughout the month, because right now we're working on like our PR strategy, our marketing strategy, getting our finances together. We're manufacturing everything. So it's so much at once. So we're at the point right now where it's just the two of us. We're trying to manage everything. This is a growing business, and we're at a point right now where we actually need to hire staff. We had our first internship program over the summer, where it was kind of like our first real employees that we had to manage. It was five interns. So it was a lot. It was a learning lesson for us to kind of like see how we can manage a staff while trying to manage everything else as well. So it's a lot. I want to share, y'all. I'm not going to share every single thing, every single aspect of the business, but I definitely want to share, because Glamarina has been a part of my life over the past, like a huge part of my life over the past 6 years, and I definitely want to show my audience here on YouTube that journey, how we're growing it, because I know that that big moment is coming for us, and I really want to share that with you guys. And so you can see my growth with this business over the next, you know, few months, year. So you can see that progress, and then that will inspire you even more to like go for your dreams, start that business. So so right now, I'm kind of jumping around, but so right now we are putting everything in place to launch our 5th activewear collection. We're hoping to launch it in February 2022. So hopefully that works out. It's taken, at this point, a year to kind of plan this out. We've had like some great constant success. We've always been on go every single year since we launched to keep up with the demand. But this year was the first year, 2021 was the first year we did not launch a collection at all. To take this year to really map out the business, reorganize the business model, try to prepare for the future. So this next collection, we're hoping for it to be the biggest, best collection. We're trying to do some major partnerships, major things, like more major than before. So I want to take you guys through that journey, put you a little bit, give you some insights into the PR process, hiring a PR agency, creating a marketing plan. That's something that I'm not a PR professional, but I've kind of learned on the job. So just taking you guys through that, how to manage finances, how to do your accounting. Like we literally do every aspect of the business together. So I think right now, just making sure that we manage what we have. So when the millions, or, you know, when we have millions in the bank, sorry, I'm burping. When we have millions in the bank, you know, we already have, you know, we have a foundation on how things should go, how this should work. So I think the slow grind is great. Appreciate the slow grind. If you already have a business, but it's just not growing at the pace that you want it to, it's okay. Trust me. Appreciate that. The slow grind prepares you for the big blessings that are to come. That is a true testament. So appreciate the journey. You know what I mean? Just appreciate the journey. Trust me. Thank me later. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Like I said, because I want, if you don't like it, if you don't tell me in the comments below, then I won't create content, this business content. But I know it's important. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see more business entrepreneur content on my channel, and I will work on creating that for you. I'm talking about how to manufacture through a company, how to do everything yourself, bagging, custom bagging, tagging, how to do all of that if you're interested in like the clothing business, shipping orders, shipping services if you're doing something online, all of that good stuff. Like I have all of the insights because like I said, over the past 6 years, Glamourina has been a full-time job for myself and my business partner, and I really just want to, you know, pay it forward and share what I've learned with everybody who is interested. So thank you guys for watching this video. It may or may not be long, but hit me in the comments, and until next time, I will see you in the next video.